What's the meaning of Chelsea boot? Chelsea boot. Chelsea boot.
Chelsea boot. Chelsea boot. A Chelsea boot is a type of ankle-high boot that originated in Victorian England and was popularized by the 1960s mod subculture. It has a close-fitting design with an elastic side panel and typically lacks laces or zippers. This style of boot is versatile and can be worn with slim-fit jeans or elegant formal wear, making it a popular choice for both men and women. The sleek and minimalist design of the Chelsea boot has made it a timeless classic in fashion.